All right, next, this is the question number 13. And price index question again. Now, because this is Form 4, by right, there are 4 different questions of different topics to be asked in section C. Then you choose 2. But Form 4, we have limited questions. So they can only ask about the price index and also the solution triangle. So let's look at the second price index question. We have JKLMN. So we have these items, 5 items over here. And then this one will be the I think it's the production, the amount that is produced. Okay. And then next we have the price given down there. This is in year 2001. So we have the price given down here. 324, so on and so forth, like this, and the price index. Now, the first part is always finding the unknown x, y, and z. Okay, let's use this table to calculate our price index. Now, the price index given over here, I like to use the symbol instead of words. Yeah, the index 2004 based on 2001, so 01. Okay, so for the x, we have the index. So it's the price in 2004 over the price in 2001 times 100. Yeah, so I have this part that is 120. Price in 2004 I have that is 240. And then I do not have price in 2001, that is x, so times 100. So this one, to find x, we have to rearrange the equation and then calculate. So this one, you can just use your calculator and get the answer. And the answer is 2 ringgit. So you just write 2. All right, next part is the y. Now, y is the index. So since y is the index, so we just apply the formula how we find the index. We take the price in 2004, which is 520 divided by 4, and then we times 100. Okay, use calculator, and we get 130. Okay, sorry. So just now y, we take the price in 2004 based on 2001 and then times 100, then we get 130. All right, now next we have z. Where's z? Z is the price in 2004. We have 110 and 240. Okay, so the 110 equals to the price in 2004 is the z, right? And then the price in 2001 is 240. So 240, and then we times 100. So to find z, everything go up. So 2.40 times 110 divided by 100. Okay, use calculator, and we get 2 ringgit and 64 cent. So we found our x, y, and z. That is always the question asked in the first part. Now the second part will be the composite index. All right, see, calculate the composite index for the items in the year 2004 based on the year 2001. So the composite index, again, we apply the formula. What is the formula? Composite index, year 2004 base in the year 2001. So the total index times its weightage divided by the total weightage. But where is our weightage? Our weightage will come from the graph over here. Okay, let's put down the corresponding price index first. Yeah, so 100, we have 120, 125. Okay, 120, 125, and then we have 150 and 110. And the y that we just found, what is y? 100 and 130. Okay, so with this one, Let's calculate the composite index using the information that we have on the graph. Okay, 5 items over here. So the index is 120 times by its weightage, which is 24, and then plus 125 by 10 plus 130 by 36, and then plus 150 by 50 plus 110 by 30, and then divided by the total of 24 plus 10 plus 36 plus 50 and plus 30. Okay, so just use the calculator to calculate for us. And okay, so we get from the calculator 130.73. All right, so that is how we find the composite index. Huh? All right, next we have done this. This is part B. Now part C, probably we have to apply the composite index that we have found into the next part of the question. And the next part of the question talk about the combination of the item I to N, I guess. Yes. So over here, yes. The total weekly cost of the item in the year 2001 was 800 total. Calculate the corresponding weekly cost for the year 2004. Okay, this is 2001. So this is the cost, yeah? Cost in 2001 is 800. So part C, cost in 2001 is 800. And our task is to find the cost in 2004. Now you can just use any symbol. The price you use P, the cost you use C, the quantity you use Q, up to you. Expenses you use E, up to you. All right, so this is what we need to find. Since the costs are the combination of all the items J, K, L, M, therefore we shall use this to find our cost in year 2004. We have the composite index that combine everything. That is this, right? So the composite index will equals to cost in 2004 based on 2001 and then times 100. So this is the formula. So our index, composite index is 130.73. 130.73, and the cost in 2004 we do not know, but the cost in 2001 is 800 times by 100. So this one you simplify. So cost in 2004 we just take 8 times with 130.73. So 130.73, when we times 8, we will have 1,045 ringgit 84 cent. That's it. Okay, so that is part C, the application of the composite index. Last part, the total cost of the items increased by 25% from the year 2004 to the year 2007. So there are 3 years involved over here. So we need to find a composite index for the year 2007 based on year 2001. So let's put this into our diagram, and that diagram will help us to solve. All right. So the cost increased by 25%. So we have 2001, 2004, and then 2007 as our year that we use to compare. And then from year 2004 to the year 2007 increased by 25%. So take this as our base year. We will have the composite index, 2007 over 2004. It's 100 plus the 25%, so 125. That is our composite index, whereby the composite index that we just found, 2004 based in the year 2001, is this 130.73. 130.73, that is the price index, 2004 based in the year 2001. So now we need to find the composite index, year 2007, based in the year 2001. So the formula will be this over this divided by 100. This times this divided by 100. So we will have 130.73 times 125 and then divided by 100. Okay, use the calculator. So we will have the answer 163.41. Okay, does it make sense? Yes. You see 2004 compared to 2001 already increased 30%. And then 2004 to 2007 already increased by 25%. So from here to here overall increased by 60%. It still makes sense in the range. Okay. Now this number does not directly has any relationship between the 30 and the 25, but through the calculation, it will cost everything to blow up by 63.41%. This is the reason I asked whether it makes sense or not. If you got something that's go by 1,000, then something is wrong with your answer. Can never be 1,000. That one is too much already. If you get something like 300, you better double check whether you make any careless mistake in between or not. So that's it for this question in section C, the price index. Very easy, right?